Rasta VIBES, sein Roots. Don't know. Nah. Sunrise slow behind me thought, clarity thought. Me clear space inside me head, light spread, don't dead. Too much nice try crowd me view, me feel that true. Me not consume every fear them sell, me break spell. Me jot me thoughts like sacred plates, mental space. Me feed me mind with what build, not what kill. Knowledge nourish, wisdom grow. In a glow, me reduce clutter, shark inside me day bright. Mindful of light, clear and free. Let me be mindful of light, guide me way every day. Mindful of light, clear and free. Let me be mindful of light, guide me way every day. Me choose thought like seed in soil, careful toil. What me water is what me reap, promise keep. Me not dwell long in shadows zone, me move on. When doubt knocks off a door, me shine more confidence, born from clarity, inner security. Like bro when fear release, mental peace. Mindful of light, steady glow, overflow. Mindful of light, calm and strong all along. Even when light covers sight, me mind stay light. Drum echo low on the moon, ancient tune, heartbeat sync with rhythm old. Story told, me feel past move through me VA, not in vain. Every step carry memory, history. Me nah need map fi know me road. Me soul code. Pulse remind me where me stand. Connected land. Time may change face and name, but beat same. Me hear wisdom without word, ancient herd, ancient thoughts, steady sound all around. Ancient pulse, strong and slow. Let it flow. Me listen when drums beat low. Teach me so, guidance come through vibration. No translation, me move in sync with natural law. Pure art. true. From first breath to last step, all scared. Ancient pulse, deep and wide inside. Ancient pulse, guide me through. If I true. In silence fall and drum breaths, all still blessed. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, 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 oh. Aye, aye, aye. Morning cool, earth feels strong. The stand where me belong. Wind may test, tide may roam. Stone stay home, rooted tone. Me no flex, fi prove me might. We hold me ground day and night. Pressure come in many form. Heat and storm, words fly fast like broken glass. We let them pass. Me learn silence stronger than shout. Strength inside, not out. Me see many crack under load, lose them code. Me build core before display, quiet way. Me no rush response or reply, me verify. Patience give me solid frame, endure flame. Steady like stone, firm and calm, no harm. Steady like stone, hold me place in our grace. Me not chase approval sound, me cell phone. Time tests everything them show me know. What real stand after wave retreat. Solid feet. Storm can beat one surface skin, scratch and spin, but core remain untouched, never crushed. Stillness heavier than force. Natural gold. Steady like stone, deep and wide inside. Steady like stone, still remains unarranged. When no circle, truth reveal. Stone still real. Na 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 na. Oh 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 oh. Ah na. Open sky but narrow aim, different game. Me move free yet discipline aligned. Freedom now mean drift around, lost and bound. They choose direction, not delay. Clear way. Me protect choice like sacred flame, no shame. Focus keep me wings in line, so me shine. Me cut distraction clean and neat. Stay complete. Me invest energy with care. Aware, free but focused, calm control, mind and soul. Free but focused, strong and true, never sight. Me hold me lay, sustain. Me no scatter what me build slow, steady grow. Discipline free me from regret. Say, bet me live intentional each day, focus stay. Balance turn, freedom wise, open eyes. Free but focused, steady pace, own space. Free but focused, rise and stand, firm command. Me move light, but never stray. Focused way.
Aye, aye, aye. Roll a big spliff with sweat, come me lap ya, man. Yeah.
Thunder roll, me still strong. Just spirit keep me moving on. Lightning flash, wind a roar. Still me stand pon Zion shore. Me heart no tremble, me no bow. Lion in the storm right now. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me rise again. No chain strong enough to bind. Truth living on me mind. Them speak loud, but just speak clear. Fear no evil, I am here. Me hold the torch through darkest night. Rasta keep the light. The struggle real, me know the test, but me bless among the rest. Every trial brings strength anew. Just show me what me must do. Them throw stone, me build bridge. Them black path, me climb ridge. Cause me no run, me no hide. Just soldier on the side. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Me brethren fall, but me lift him high. Tell him no worry, dry your eye. Me know Jah never forsake. He builds strength from every ache. Me see the rainbow cross the field. Rasta never yield. No weapon form shall prosper here. Me spirit clear. Inna the mountain breeze me rest. Me heartbeat in me chest. Me look up to the sky and pray. Jah bless me steps today. No matter the thunder, no matter the rain, me chant through the pain. Cause me know the lion live in me soul. Rasta make me whole. Every storm must end, every wound Jah mend. Me stand firm, me hold strong, me destiny long. Fire blaze, but me heart pure. Inna Jah love me sure. Lion roar through the night, victory in sight. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Lion rise, break the chain, turn the thunder sea and lightning meet. Ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame. Every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below. Ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear. Truth of Jadra ever near. Elders stand up on the sand. Ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet. Heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain. Ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm. Ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue. See the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace. Ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away. Ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer. Ocean flame still burning there. Poet write by lantern light. Ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave. Every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow. Ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free. Burning deep beneath the sea. Shall them laugh up on the shore? Ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love. Like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end. Ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand. Ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea. Lights of hope and unity. Rise, rise, golden high. Ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire bright and pure. Cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone. Light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free. Ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, heart and sky. Jah creation sanctified.
Rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nice, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot pon sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. most high. Him day in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson, me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me born illusion, me born the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Rootsman rise in a morning light. We born the darkness, chant the right. Me see me people wake from sleep. The chains break, the knowledge deep. Me reason with elders under tree. Them say son keep Jah company. Me hold the vibe, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone. Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Rootsman rise in a Zion beat. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Rootsman rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new.
Nah, no, me no in a garden ray. Jah bless the world, yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight. But love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke. But the sun still rise again, wash away the stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, me soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Me see the youth them searching wide. Truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready fi stand. Me tell them love can't creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun, we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high. Lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away. Light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within. Burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn, feel make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me fate, me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine up on the righteous way. Guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand. Heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflect in me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light, show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath me final tone. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun.
Na 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 na. Peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try fi hush, them try fi hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth. All them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. We hear
voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. Me hear the rhythm through the crowd. The chanter sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me see the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. We
voice of the people strong.
yeah.
Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Smoke with Zion, yeah man.
Yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me in this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me trod the road, them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone. But me nah walk alone. Me hear the whisper in a deep breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion run through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light. Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform me, walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion. Soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest my soul upon higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
Aye, aye, aye. Give Rasta this record, yeah, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree, roots so deep, shed the humble, shade the sheep, fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree, all people seek, forever holy, never fall. Zion tree, for one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree, exalt your name. Eternal branches, strong and tall. Zion tree, protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree, Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree, Jah truly blessed, forever growing, never cease. Zion tree, bring Jah peace from mountain high to valley low. Zion tree, forever grow, no Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree, wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree, reach to the sky, forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree, eternity, holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree, for me and you. Trumpet sound again. Zion tree still remain, forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here, holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree, eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree, forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree, forever stay. Aye, aye, aye. Down by Riverside with Zion, yeah man. Flowing down from mountain high, underneath your blessed sky, crystal clear and cool me and water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on your face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jaja song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the droughts are burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call, river bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own this water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest, Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run, till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jaja song. From source to sea, from start to end, river of Zion, eternal friend.
Aye, 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 ganja and coconut jaman. Me waking at the dance so clean. Jah bless me sin. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a joyful tune. Zion me home. Me rise from the humble clay. Give thanks for another another day. The mountain whisper peace. Me soul release, me see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer, Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light, no more night. Every shadow fade away, Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff, me trod my path, free from wrath. Each breath me take, me know Jah river flow. Way Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up me eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze, soul at ease. The lion roar for truth again, break the chain. No money, no crown, no fame can match Jah name. Me plant hope deep inside, me never hide. Me hear the children play below, love overflow. Me give them roots to know how to grow. Zion teach the simple way, live and pray. Me chant till my voice gone, still carry on. Zion mountain top, Jah rule over all. My heart belong there, true, forever new. Wait, Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. So when the night come again, me feel no pain. Zion morning wait for me eternally. Hey.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh,
Inna the hills, me build me hut, smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline, just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow, cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation, blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead,
natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath, away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass, teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a day yard, life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how to slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja jump and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around.
Kingston cushion on me long brother. Na na na. Na 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 na. Kingston cushion on me long brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of Jah unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone, drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east and to the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echoing. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Nighttime fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jah hand. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift, me soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drum remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide Trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high, Jahanda guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm, but love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light, Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide, let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind, leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide.
Na na na,
Let the righteous step inside.
na na na,
Sing this song for all mankind.
na na na.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play, announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old, every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door, pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit had taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill, them tell me child keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain, for every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge our righteous code. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud, Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend, song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide, Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry, just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine, we walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm, Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree, tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside, Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide,
We step in with Jah as guide.
leave the hate and fear behind.
Only love for all mankind.
Open the gates of Zion wide,
Rasta children step inside.
Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. Aye, aye, aye. Meditate with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Deep blue water, endless tide. Ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn. Flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon tried to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame. Ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea. Ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song. Ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall. Ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, Jah people save. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and wide. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Oh, songs of whales beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean move by Jah hand. Oh, 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 oh. Ocean of Zion wide and strong. Carry the people
mighty hand. 7 colors, truth revealed. Rainbow show the world is healed. Forever shining bright and true. Rainbow covenant for me and you.
Na na na, Rasta man chant, yeah man. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. Me feel the rhythm in a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far, guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, me spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything aligned, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. One na 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 na, yeah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start to show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea. Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever song. Rasta moonlight